She wants a fancy wedding in a fancy setting. She don't want gold, she want a diamond ring. She don't want a prince, she wanna marry a king.
Yeah. 5K dress, label Mary Kay to impress. She wanna walk in like an actress, so roll a red carpet. And darling, after tonight, the girl is off market. She marrying Hassan, 9 to 5 type of guy, just enough to survive. Maskeen type of guy, softly spoken, listens to her insist. A wedding has to be nothing less than the best. Hassan, please, she gotta promise. Though he tries his best, the truth is far from what she expects. In fact, he can barely afford the rent in the apartment they planning to stay in. But Ash is persistent, insisting they gotta live better than Xaawo or Fadumo. Though their only plan of income is to cheat the system, but she don't know. Cause it's hard to think past tomorrow. And unless he wins the lotto, he has to look for money to borrow. And he has no footsteps to follow. There's no Abba to ask for Talo, cause he too left whole you. So now he has a dream to fulfill, cause Ash's wedding is like a setting from the hills. Though he can barely pay bills, he don't wanna keep it real, cause the truth gon' hurt. She don't wanna marry a broke nigga, so rather break the bank first.
She wants a fancy wedding in a fancy setting. She don't want gold, she want a diamond ring. She don't want a prince, she wanna marry a king.